What's up? Welcome back to my video, and today is gonna be new video, new content. Today is not gonna be unboxing, not gonna be solving. Today is gonna be I'm gonna talk about details, how I break down my PB 14 seconds, and I break down with 12 seconds with this new cube, Gen 11M Pro. And this cube is pretty fast, that's why today I broke my PB with 12 seconds. Today I'm gonna talk about details how I broke down 14 seconds to 12. So in the description is gonna be the scramble to this to my PB. So let's move on to the video. First, when I had inspection, look ahead, and look ahead, I had 15 seconds to inspect. So I inspected a cross. I inspected a cross. And so when I started the timer, I saw here was a blue, white, yellow. Wait, sorry. What's my English? Okay, red, white to the middle white. So they were connected. And I saw then green, white, and I was going to do like this. So blue is gonna be right here, white, and I'm gonna move green right here. So then I moved it right here, so I could do like a pair, like green, white, and blue, white pair, and to the middle, and it's connected. So then I saw here was look ahead, I saw here was orange, white pair. So I already moved like this, so it would connect, and then I moved this red, white, right. I moved the U2 and front 2, so it would make a cross. Then when I solved cross, I saw a orange green, so I put it right here. So I made it U prime, right up, right prime up, a front, U prime, F. So it made one pair. So then I saw a corner with a white, a orange, and blue. So I put it right here. So then I saw that in here was then I saw this blue, red, and white corner, so I put it right here. Then I saw red and blue edge, so I do F2L method, so I put it here. Then I saw, when I put it right here, then I saw a green and red edge, so I made another F2L method. So and then I rotated the cube 180 degrees. So and then I saw a blue and orange edge. So I made it a one pair. So F12 was done, cross is done, and then OL, I had OLL skip. So it was really lucky. So I don't know this PL. So I did right. Then I did right here. I did this method. Then red was me, and I do the simple beginners PL method. So that's how I got 12 seconds. And I can show you. Yeah, I'm gonna scramble the cube. What was the scramble? How? Okay, right? L2, U2, L2, R2, F2, L2, D prime, U prime, R2, U prime, R2, B, U, F2, R, F prime, R prime, D2, R prime, B2. So that's how I scrambled. And right now I'm gonna show how I solve. Okay. First is okay. Okay, that was 50 seconds, but I did so yeah, that was the video. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you're gonna subscribe and like this video. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.